Here are some converting facts about pizza with percentages. Pizza is one of the most popular foods in the world, with over 3 billion pizzas sold each year in the United States alone. In a recent survey, 93% of Americans reported eating pizza at least once in the past month. According to a study by Technomic, pizza accounts for approximately 10% of all food service sales in the United States. Pepperoni is the most popular pizza topping in the United States, with over 36% of all pizzas ordered including this topping. In a survey of pizza lovers, 72% of respondents said that they prefer thin crust pizza over thick crust. In Italy, where pizza originated, there are over 3,000 pizzerias and 94% of Italians eat pizza at least once a week. According to a survey by the National Restaurant Association, 61% of Americans say that they prefer to eat their pizza at home rather than at a restaurant. The world's largest pizza, made in Rome in 2012, measured 131 feet in diameter and weighed over 51,000 pounds. A recent survey found that 38% of Americans believe that pizza is the perfect breakfast food. The global pizza market is projected to reach $233 billion by 2025, with a compound annual growth rate of 10.17% from 2020 to 2025. Here are some good and bad things about pizza. Good things. Pizza can be a good source of nutrients, such as protein, calcium, and vitamins. Depending on the toppings and crust, a slice of pizza can provide up to 15% of the daily recommended intake of these nutrients. A study published in the European Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that people who ate pizza had higher intakes of vegetables, protein, and fiber than those who did not. Pizza can be a convenient and easy meal option, especially for busy families or individuals. A survey found that 63% of Americans consider pizza to be a go-to meal when they don't feel like cooking. Sharing a pizza with friends or family can be a social and enjoyable experience. According to a survey, 62% of Americans say that they enjoy pizza more when eating it with others. Bad things. Pizza can be high in calories and unhealthy fats, especially if it is loaded with cheese, meat, and other high-calorie toppings. A typical slice of pepperoni pizza can contain over 300 calories and 12 grams of fat. Pizza can be high in sodium, which can increase the risk of high blood pressure and other health problems. A study found that some pizza options contain over 3,000 milligrams of sodium per serving, which is more than the daily recommended intake. Pizza can be addictive, especially if it is loaded with cheese and other high-calorie toppings. A study found that foods high in fat and sugar, such as pizza, can activate the same pleasure centers in the brain as drugs like cocaine. Eating too much pizza can lead to weight gain and other health problems, such as heart disease and diabetes. A survey found that 13% of Americans eat pizza every day, which can contribute to an unhealthy diet and lifestyle.